Harvest. Potato harvest.
Where's the peacock?
Potato harvest. Ikkada.
Where's the peacock?
Here, you want to go search for potato in the thing? Hmm?
Yeah.
Yeah, go harvest. Okay, Nana help you. Come. There. Here, see? Here. Start digging. Do you see anything? Oh, there's one small potato. You want to get it?
Big.
Want to get it? Go get it.
This one?
Mm-hmm. Pull it.
This one is big potato.
Put it in the.
This one?
Keep looking for more potatoes.
Right here.
Oh, yeah. Okay, put it. Keep looking. There's more anywhere? Keep digging. Hey, this tiny potato.
Oh, okay. This is for Mom and Dad.
Yeah. Hey, there's one more.
Oh,
Hey, there's one more.
hey, there's one more. Okay. Keep digging.
Keep digging. Oh, there's one more.
There. There's one more.
This is the mama potato.
Can I take it?
No, we don't need that one.
Why?
It's too cold. Yeah, take it.
This is warm.
We give it to the worms. Hey, there's more small potatoes here.
You're so cute.
They're cute.
Ah.
Let's dig.
This one.
Hey, there's one more. To pick it. Okay, we pause and then we'll come back after taking all these, okay? This is the potato you got? What are you gonna...
The dirt.
From the dirt?
But you didn't see it, but I see the last one.
You saw the last one? Oh. Who put the potato in the container?
You and me.
You and me? Oh. What are you gonna do with these potatoes?
Give it to Mama.
You give to Mama?
Then Mama cook.
Mama cook it?
Then I'm going to taste it. Then it's crunchy.
Is it crunchy? You like potatoes? Oh.
The other ones is raw.
Oh yeah. You want to put all the potatoes on the dirt to show? Put the potatoes on the dirt. Let's see how many you got. Oh wow, you got so many potatoes?
Yes.
They're baby potatoes.
And the big, then the big and the fat. There are big tomato and big and some Nana and Mama and baby and sister and brother and Nani and Tata and Mama Nana and sister and brother and Tata Nana.